Assalamu alaikum to my correct Muslim brothers and sisters. My name is Muhammad Isa and I live in Ghana, and I want to introduce myself briefly. I just want to cut what the differences between spiritualist and traditional spirit and Muslim or Islamic spirit. When I'm going to demonstrate this thing for you to, the reason why I'm going to demonstrate this thing for you to understand that, my point is that if you need instant money, lotto number, work promotion, if your wife or if your husband don't love you, a sickness, many issue, and many problems, spiritual problem. Let's take it spiritual problem. If you need spiritual problem, if you are in Canada, America, Lagos, wherever you are in the country, then you need spiritual money. If it is money, there is no need to come to me personally. We can do it, then I will send you the money into your room, or I can send you the money to you into your account. Secondly, in case of sickness, you can invite me to where you are, whether you are in America, where you are. If the sick person cannot travel, you can invite me. I can come there and treat the sickness well for you, inshallah, in the name of Almighty Allah, the greater, the creator, and the omniscient. Please, brothers and sisters, the reason why I just came out here decently to be telling you this issue is that I don't want you to put yourself into trouble. That dirty things. You go to somebody who is not going to tell you the truth by making you put yourself into it, and later on it is problem for you. Please, my brother, if you create problem for yourself, tomorrow you'll be judged about that. I beg you. If you are a Muslim or a Christian, I'm begging you, a Muslim brothers and Christian brothers, come to Malam Isa, Muhammad Isa. Come to Malam Isa, or people call me Muhammad Isa, you can call me Malam Isa, and your problem will be solved financially, spiritually. If you want to travel to any country, then you have this business problem, inshallah, you call me, then I'll do the money for you. If you need any kind of money, like $1 million, $10 million, $100 million, inshallah, any kind of money that you need, I'll put it in front of Almighty Allah, then He create it for you in the name of Himself. Money cannot be used by you cannot create money by your power, Almighty Allah. That's why I just want to demonstrate something small for you to understand and see how we command money. You see this still, it is inherited by my grandfather. So I just want to demonstrate how we do the instant money for my viewers to see and understand. You can see this is white material that I hold like this. You see, this is the tail. Some people do edition, and they will edit things and convince your mind, because there are a lot of fake people around in the social media, which they don't fear God. They don't think that they're gonna die. So I want to tell you, my viewers, that if you want a